at NAB Show New York 2016. It's a growing show with thousands of attendees and hundreds of exhibitors right here in the Big Apple. We're here at NAB Show New York with Gordon Tubbs from Fujifilm. Gordon, thank you for being here.
Thank you for having me.
Can you tell me what Fujifilm does, or what you do in particular at Fujifilm?
Sure, be happy to. A lot of people now recognize this, but Fujinon, known for lenses, has always been a subsidiary of Fujifilm.
Okay.
Several years ago, we were brought into the company. So the company is Fujifilm, the brand of lenses is Fujinon. I'm the vice president for the Americas, so I run the broadcast and digital cinema business for us here in the Americas.
Great, and are there any particular products that you are showcasing here at the show?
Yes, very much. Two areas. One is 4K ultra high definition for the broadcast market, and then the other one is actually 4K but for the motion picture cinema market.
And what are some of the challenges that you all have to overcome?
Right now, the biggest one has to do with the 4K for television applications, the UHD. The market really hasn't responded yet to it because of needing business plans and those kinds of things. So we're introducing products that aren't necessarily being requested 100% right now, but we know it's coming, so we're doing a lot of marketing, a lot of demos, things like that, to get people to understand what exists.
And what sectors do you think would be particularly interested in them?
The sports, really, initially. And this happened with HD as well, that the first one to show a big change like this will be from sports, and that has happened. So for example, there was 4K being done at the World Series recently, that type of thing. So there are a number of 4K customers in the Americas. It's growing, Olympics, things like that.
Got it. And what are some of the trends that you see on the forefront in the next 6 to 12 months in the sector?
Well, what's happening is, and you'll hear a lot of people talk about 4K, but to us, that's not the important message. It's a resolution message, but to us it's high dynamic range. A lot of people assume that this has to do with only the cameras. That's actually not the case. We've done a lot of design work in our 4K lenses to actually transmit higher contrast pictures where blacks are really black, whites are really white, less flares, so less ghosting, things like that. That all contributes to a better high dynamic range picture from the camera. So we're actually almost more interested in getting the story out about high dynamic range with the lenses than we are about the 4K resolution.
Very exciting. Thank you so much for telling us all about it.
Thank you for having me.
You're very welcome, and I hope you have a great rest of the show.
Thank you.
Well done.